You've heard it 1,000 times. Go silent. Go no contact. She'll miss you. But what if I told you? Silence isn't the most powerful move. There's a strategy even stronger. One that not only makes her feel your absence, but makes her question everything about how she treated you. And here it is. Radical emotional detachment, paired with strategic progress. Let me explain. When you go silent, sure, she notices, she wonders, she starts to think. But if that's all you do, just sit there silently waiting, she may eventually move on, especially if she knows you're still emotionally hooked. The real power comes when your silence is matched by undeniable progress. When you detach emotionally and begin living like you never needed her at all. While she's scrolling Instagram, you're in the gym. While she's wondering if you'll text, you're building your career. While she's replaying old conversations, you're evolving silently, invisibly. Now that hits different. It's not just absence she feels, it's the absence of your dependence. Your neediness is gone. Your validation seeking is dead. She can feel it in your energy. You're not ignoring her to play games. You're focused because your life is too full for drama. You no longer react. You respond with peace, or not at all. You're not bitter. You're better. And that's what shatters her ego. Because now, she doesn't just lose your attention. She loses the idea that you are beneath her. She sees that your silence is not weakness. It's strength. It's clarity. It's self-worth in motion. You've stopped trying to prove yourself. You've become the version of yourself that doesn't need her to see your value. And the irony, that's when she starts too. So no, silence isn't enough. But silence with elevation. With transformation. With quiet, confident detachment. That's the formula. Because the moment you stop chasing and you start becoming, she will feel it in her soul. And if she comes back, she'll come different. Humbled, curious, maybe even ready. And if she doesn't, you'll already be too far ahead to care. That's power.